With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So hello my dear students, if the replacement set is the set of whole numbers, solve x plus 7 is less than 11. Okay. So how can we solve it? We have the given value x plus 7 is less than 11. So if I subtract 7 on both the sides, here x plus 7 minus 7, which is less than 11 minus 7. So the sign of equality will not change. Okay. So here x is less than 4. So here we got the value of x which is less than 4, and what they have said is replacement of set is the set of whole number. So I can write replacement of set, replacement of set is equal to set of whole numbers. What is whole numbers, students? Whole numbers is 0, 1 up to so on. So I can write here our solution set would be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay students. So my dear students, the value come up to 3 because x is less than 4. So we cannot include x over here. So that's why the value is still 3. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.